AO Arena in Manchester. Tommy Fury, KSI.
It is over! You're going to get knocked out and then your fucking career is done. Your career is over, yeah. You can come through with all that fucking stuff. Huh? You can come.
24 fucking hours, 24 fucking hours, 24 hours, you piece of shit. 24 hours, you piece of shit. Pretend fuck. You pretend piece of fucking shit. You fuck you. Fuck you. You pretend fucking piece of shit. 24 hours is over. You fucking bald cunt. It's over. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. 24 hours. KO, bitch. KO. You ugly piece of shit. 24 hours. 24 hours bald. Don't fucking size me, middleweight. I'm gonna run over you fucking middleweight.
The Prime Card, live exclusively worldwide on DAZN. And it's all going down tomorrow night at the AO Manchester Arena. Tommy Fury, KSI in the